Good morning, children. I hope all of you are well and doing your work on time. So, today we will start our new topic, test of divisibility. Children, the question is why there is need of test of divisibility? As we know how to divide. Simple. Then the answer is whenever we have given division or we have to check whether a given number is divisible by another number or not. What we do, we perform actual division and see whether remainder is 0 or not. Remainder 0 है या नहीं. But this step or this method is time consuming. So, with the help of test of divisibility, we can easily find whether the given number is divisible by another number or not. Before starting this topic, I want to share some interesting facts with you. So the first is, if a number is divisible by another number, it will be divisible by each of the factor of that number. Suppose 12 is divisible by 6. 12 6 से divide होता है and factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. So 12 will be divisible by 1, 2 and 3 also. 12 6 से divisible था इसलिए उसके factors 1, 2, 3 से भी divisible होगा. This is our first point. Okay. Next. If a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. Children, yesterday we have learned about co-prime numbers. Co-prime means two numbers having their common factor as 1. ऐसे दो numbers जिनका common factor क्या हो, सिर्फ 1 हो. So suppose 20 is divisible by 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are co-prime numbers because their common factor is 1. So 2 into 5 is equals to 10. So 20 is divisible by 10 also. Okay. 10 क्या है, 2 5 का प्रोडक्ट है. So 20 will be divisible by 10 also. Third point. Now third point. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum or difference is also divisible by that number. Let us see the example. Suppose two given numbers 15 and 30 are divisible by 5. Okay. So 15 plus 30, sum of that numbers 15 plus 30 45 is also divisible by 5. Again difference means subtraction. 30 minus 15, that is 15, is also divisible by 5. दो given numbers हैं. यदि two given numbers are divisible by 5, then their sum and difference is also divisible by 5. Okay. So children, these are the points on the basis of which we will do the test of divisibility. Okay. So here some points are there. So we will start with number 2. One side I have written numbers and other side conditions with the example, so that you can easily see it or understand it. Now what is the condition for the test of divisibility by 2? Last digit means ones place digit. If ones place digit is divisible by 2, then the number is also divisible by 2. Example 18. In 18, what is at ones place? Ones place पे क्या है? 8. 8 is divisible by 2. So 18 is also divisible by 2. 8 divide 2 से होता है, इसलिए 18 भी 2 से divide होगा. Similarly, numbers 142, 344, 1298. You can easily see in all these numbers ones place have 842 and 842 easily divided by 2. ये सब 2 से डिवाइड हो सकते हैं. So 142, 344, 1298 are divisible by 2. Okay. Now next 3. What is the condition for 3? If the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3. Sum of digits of number is divisible by 3, then number is also divisible by 3. यदि sum 3 से डिवाइड होता है तो वो नंबर भी 3 से डिवाइड होगा. Example 42. I am taking 42. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 3 से डिवाइड होगा. Then 42 is also divisible by 3. Similarly 258. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Since 15 is divisible by 3, so 258 is also divisible by 3. Okay. So these are the conditions for 2 and 3. Next. Next is 4. Condition for 4 is if in a number ones and tens digit is multiple of 4, then the number is divisible by 4. किसी given number में यदि ones और tens place के जो digits हैं वो 4 के multiple हैं, then the whole number is divisible by 4. For example 152. In 152, 52 is multiple of 4. चेक कर सकते हैं. 13 4 52 होता है तो 4 का मल्टीपल हुआ 52. So 152 will be divisible by 4. ये होल नंबर भी 4 से डिवाइड होगा. Similarly in numbers 8212, 9520, 12 and 20 are multiple of 4. So both these numbers are also divisible by 4. Okay. So this is the condition for 4. Now next 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is either 0 or 5. कोई भी नंबर 5 से डिवाइड तब होगा जब उसके वंस प्लेस पे या तो 0 हो या 5 हो. Example 15, 20, 105, 200, 1500. See in all these numbers ones place digit is either 0 or 5. है ना. So all are divisible by 5. Clear? Now 6. Condition for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if number is even and sum of digit is divisible by 3. हम ऐसे शॉर्ट में कह सकते हैं that a number can be divided by 6 only when it is divisible by 2 and 3. जब वो 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड होगा तो वो 6 से भी डिवाइड होगा. Example 192. 192 is even numbers, those numbers which can be divided by 2. And 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So number 192 is divisible by 6. In short, यदि कोई नंबर 2 और 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो वो 6 से भी डिवाइड होगा. ओके. So this is the condition for 6. Now move towards number 7. हम 7 पे आते हैं. What is condition for 7? So condition for 7 is very different. So listen carefully. ध्यान से सुनना. A number is divisible by 7 when twice of one's digit, and numbers formed by other digits, twice of one's digit एंड नंबर्स फॉर्म्ड बाय अदर डिजिट्स, डिफरेंस, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 7, 7 का मल्टीपल हो. To make you clear this, I am going to give you example. Suppose we have number 889. Okay. So what is at ones place? 9. और हमें इसका क्या निकालना है? Twice. Okay. So twice means 2 से multiply करना है. Okay. So 2 into 9, 80. Okay. And what is the other numbers here? 8, 8. तो ये दोनों को मिला के क्या बन रहा है? 88. सो 88 माइनस 18, हमने बात किया था यहाँ पे डिफरेंस का. सो 88 माइनस 18, 70. नाउ 70 इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 7. सो 889 इज डिविजिबल बाय 7. 889 क्या होगा? 7 का डिविजिबल होगा. ओके. सिमिलरली इन नंबर 1670, सी वंस डिजिट इज 7, हमने इसका ट्वाइस निकाला. 2 into 7 is equals to 14. Now left number, other number क्या है? 161. We have to find the difference. हमने difference निकाला. 161 minus 40. Children, आप यहाँ ध्यान देना कि हमें सिर्फ वंस डिजिट का ट्वाइस लेना है. ओके. वंस डिजिट का ट्वाइस लिया और जो बाकी नंबर्स हमारे बचे उसमें से हमें ट्वाइस वाले नंबर को माइनस करना. So 161 minus 14, 147. 147 is multiple of 7. So number is divisible by 9. Sorry, number is divisible by 7. Okay. So this is the condition for 7. Now for 8. If the number formed by rightmost 3 digit in the number is divisible by 8. यदि किसी गिवन नंबर में राइट मोस्ट 3 नंबर्स 8 से डिवाइड होता है तो वो होल नंबर भी 8 से डिवाइड होगा. हाउ? फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव 94,120. नाउ वी कैन सी राइट मोस्ट 3 डिजिट क्या है? 120, विच इज फॉर्मिंग 120. Now 120 is divisible by 8. डिवाइड करोगे तो 15 आंसर आएगा. So 120 is divisible by 8. So 94,120 is also divisible by 8. Clear? लास्ट का 3 डिजिट यदि 8 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो पूरा नंबर 8 से डिवाइड होगा. Clear? So children, today this is it. आज के लिए काफ़ी है एंड वी विल डू अदर नंबर्स टुमारो इन टुमारोज वीडियो. सो इफ़ यू वांट सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स यू कैन यूज़ योर बुक. मोर एग्जाम्पल्स आर गिवन इन द बुक्स ऑल्सो. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. आई विल रिवाइज दिस टॉपिक अगेन एंड कंडीशंस फॉर दीज नंबर्स अगेन टुमारो. ओके. थैंक यू फॉर टुडे.